car right now, but I haven't really got it up to speed yet, but I can definitely tell this right off the pedal, very little tap, she's all there. And also when I let off the gas, the engine doesn't slow down as much as it used to, so the car just kind of has more like a gliding feeling. I know it's not perfect yet, you know what I mean, but so far I'm liking it. But you know, you never know. So we'll get it over here, and then see if we can get it to stumble. I mean, it used to give me a little stumble. You know, I had to drive it, you know, perfectly. You know, nobody ever knew that anything was wrong, you know, because I could just, you know, manipulate the pedal and make it go away. But I knew it was there. And so as of right now, so far, it's not there. That idle stayed clean all the way to a complete stop. See, I'm very light on the pedal. Let's hit it. Look at that. Hello. Okay. Well, she don't need to be driven like that, but she definitely didn't fall flat on her face.